جھاڑیوں سے ایک بیمار کتا نکلا.
A sick dog emerged from the bushes. A sick dog emerged from the bushes.
मैंने استقبالیہ तकरीब को غफलत से देखा.
I looked on with disregard at the welcoming event. I looked on with disregard at the welcoming event.
इन्होंने उसे कभी अपना नहीं रहने दिया.
They never allowed him to be himself. They never allowed him to be himself.
वो भीड़ से बचने के लिए एक तरफ बढ़ गई.
She stepped to the side to avoid the crowd. She stepped to the side to avoid the crowd.
इसने जो कुछ देखा था इसे देखकर वो घबरा गया.
He looked terrorized at what he had seen. He looked terrorized at what he had seen.
खत देखकर मेरी आंखें खौफ से फैल गईं.
My eyes widened with terror at the letter. My eyes widened with terror at the letter.
मेरे बॉस ने इवेंट शुरू होने के लिए अपनी रजामंदी का इशारा किया.
My boss signaled his assent for the event to begin. My boss signaled his assent for the event to begin.
पुलिस होटल के दाखिली दरवाजे के करीब मंडला रही थी.
The police hovered near the entrance of the hotel. The police hovered near the entrance of the hotel.
वो इसका एहतराम करने के लिए मुड़ गया.
He turned to regard her. He turned to regard her.
जब आपने फोन किया तो मैं लेक्चर में था.
I was in a lecture when you called. I was in a lecture when you called.